Good morning students. Welcome back online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NBGEI AVM School Deetapuram Unnao. Class first 11th subject Political Science, book first, chapter 3, election and representation. Election and representation. Students, in our syllabus this chapter we can read about the objective of the chapter is to explain the importance of elections in a democracy. Means what is the importance of a democracy? After reading the chapter, we would know the different methods of elections, the main characteristics of the election system, adopted in India, and provisions for free and fair elections. Defect or weakness of Indian electoral system and electoral reforms. So students, first of all, we seeing our chapter in at a glance. Students, modern age is an age of democracy. Modern is an age of democracy. In most of the countries, indirect democracy has been adopted as the states are large and it is not possible for all the citizens to participate directly in the affairs of the state. And students, in a direct form of democracy, people elect their representative for a definite period, who run the administration according to the wishes of the people. If they do not do so, they can be changed in the next elections. And students, Indian electoral system has some unique features. First, universal adult franchises, joint electorate, secret ballot system, single member constituencies, reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, etc. Students, for the conduct of elections, the Constitution provides for an election commission. At present, it has three members, one chief election commissioner and two other commissioners. They are appointed by the President of India. Students, Indian election system has many drawbacks. A weakness. Some of these: increasing role of money and muscle power during the election, voting on the basis of caste and religion, misuse of official machinery by the party in power, no upper age limit for the candidates, absence of many voters to cast their votes, and delay in deciding election competitions. These are the drawbacks of the election system of India. Okay.